In this video, guys, I will show you how to use Twitch for beginners. So, in this video, we will see a little review for Twitch and how to use it for beginner on mobile. So after downloading Twitch from Play Store or App Store, you have to create an account. It's very easy. So after creating an account, it's going to take you here directly in the home page where you can see like available live like this. This is like some available live. Just click on them if you want to watch. Here, just the following live. If you follow some streamers and they are live, you can find them here. And on this page we go now and click on browse here, where you can search for categories or live channels or for friends or for streamers. Just type the name here and you can search. And right now if we click on this plus, we can stream games or just stream or go to our creator dashboard. Here you can find your analytics and dashboard of your stream and your account. If you click here, if you back guys and you click on activity, you can find your whispers and notifications. And guys, if you click on profile, you can here find your profile. So just click on it and you can find it. Here if I click edit profile, I can change from here my pictures, my banner, my username, my bio, and I can also add some social links like Instagram, Facebook, and also I can here stream manager or edit some streams if I have. If I click on account settings, I can find some settings to control my account and manage it well. Here you can find my account, profile and subscription. Here preferences, if you want to change them, enable video auto playing, security and privacy. You can change your password and some other settings, content preferences, and many things. Also, if you want to delete your account, what you should do, just to click on account and you click on permanently delete account and you will delete it. So guys, also you can log out from here. As you can see guys, the application of Twitch is very useful. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, type it down in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.